Alright, so here we have a small radio that we're working on it, and this is a Amazon 543 if I'm not wrong, and this radio is not working. The ball, one of the ball is broken because there is no any other tube goes on. So if you go to the drawing of the tube, which as you can see here, I'm going to put the radio away. You can see here the drawing for the tube. Let's see if I can get a better view. There we go. So basically right here you have the whole drawing of the tube. So basically the way this works is that the two are connected in series like a Christmas light, and so the power goes to one of the two, and then from here goes to the next one, and goes to the next one, goes to the next one, goes to the next one, and from here return. And this is the AC line, 110 volt, whatever. And that's what the way so if one of the tubes gets broken, no one would be on. So the best way to test this and not have too much risk is because the tube is so easy to remove. You remove the tube, you take a voltmeter, and you put it to measure impedance, which should be somewhere around here. There you go. And okay, now I'm gonna take the tube that I know is already broken. I got it here, which is the 35Z5. This guy here is the one is broken. So I should have between 2 and 7.5. So I start to count from here. This is the center line. 1, 2. Then I go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nothing. So it's open between 2 and 7. So this tube is broken between 2 and 7. It's broken here somewhere. But if I measure between 3 and 7, which is this is 3 and this is 7, it's broken. And if I measure between 3 and 2, there we go. So on this tube, 7 pin is broken, but I have connection between 2 and 3. And what they're doing here, they put a pilot light here between 2 and 3. There is a pilot light here. So I went to online and I got a brand new ball. And with that, you just put a brand new ball back in the radio and it should work. So we already did that. So working on this small old radio, you can see it here, and some of these capacitors is going to have to be replaced. The radio is not working, and the reason why it's not working is because one of the tubes is broken. So this is a Amazon 543 radio, and it's about alright. It's not that bad, but one of the ball is broken. So basically what we did, we write down all the numbers of the ball, all the tubes are in the radio, and here are the tubes on the radio, and basically all the tubes are connected in series like a Christmas tree. One goes to the next one, and then goes to the next one, goes to the next one, and then one go back, and this is the AC line here. And in this case, on this case of this radio, there is this ball, this tube, which is the 35C5. I have a center tap to use it for this light, for the light of the panel. So the first thing we're gonna do is you take a voltmeter, something like this one, and you basically go. Let's see if I can. El volmito don't want to work now. Okay, let's try that. What happened with the volmeter here? Give me a second here. Okay. So the start for the 35C5, which is this one, and it should be connection between 2 and 7. So we go, this is the center line, 1, 2, then we go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's open. Now if we try the other part, which is 3 and 7, 3 and 7, no connection. Now we try between 2 and 3, 2 and 3 I have connections. Okay, so this ball is broken, so I went online and I got a new one. Bingo. So, but I got my new ball, happy, everything fixed. Now we're gonna try to see how the radio works. Now that I have a brand new ball. So you just go, replace the ball. I already replaced the ball. It's this guy here. I'm putting the new ball there, and we're gonna shoot it and see what happens. All right. All right. So now it's moment of truth, and we're gonna put this radio to the power and see how that works. Alright, I think I just put power on the radio and it's coming. It's just making noise now, so we can move this. There you go, radio works.
It's 1986 Super Bowl from their Grammy Award nominated song, the Super Bowl Shuffle. Tim McMahon, the team's quarterback that year, and several others claiming
So,
a woman and a related marketing firm kept proceeds from the as Federal Reserve Chairman
so you hear the radio works now, but it's too noisy. So the reason why it's too noisy is because the capacitors are really bad. All these capacitors here needs to be, see if I can show you. All the capacitors here, like this one, which is the filter line, that's one of the main capacitors that have to be replaced, and probably we can replace a lot of those capacitors. So what we did, we just went online and we bought all the capacitors, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna replace all the capacitors, and hopefully it will work nice after that. Let's try. Here we go. This is what's down the radio now. Radio completely down. There you go. Right now, radio.
Oh, wow.
Got the ear.
Oh, I'm impressed. Gotta take some of that stuff off. There's some fingerprints on there stuff, but on the outside,
Yeah.
that's no big deal. That's the picture right there.
And hopefully it will work, huh? Hopefully it work. Sometimes he doesn't want to work when
Well,
it
these
work.
guys don't show theirs on. I don't see it anyway.
It's getting warm.
You can't base it. Escuchar todos. Our latest list. Kaufman won the bet. What?
Clear plan?
Place we've worked.
With some nonsense? Sims.
Galleries counsel hundreds of students. Okay. Somebody.
What he thinks is
Hawks have a good defense.
a few delays getting it.
Listen to this.
Final trompeta. An apparently politically motivated traffic jam ordered by one of his staffers
There
happened
you go.
last year. The words used in the letter were carefully
let's do
crafted.
this now.
Contradict the
Ah,
governor.
it's
Doesn't
so
say
dark.
he's in possession of it. I mean, the question I had naturally is, we had a subpoena out to him. If he has stuff, it should have come to the committee. That's on CBS Face. The nation's State Senator John Wisniewski. More wicked weather this way comes. Here's
Worse, those that remain. As NPR's Soraya Sarhadi Nelson reports,